So the MGM Grand, or MGM Resorts International, is in talks to sell Circus Circus to Phil Ruffin. Yep, that's the news being reported by Bloomberg and picked up by Yahoo Finance today. So it's a little bit of our ongoing saga with the Circus Circus. By the way, my name's Steven. This is Not Leaving Las Vegas. And if you like Vegas stuff, you should go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and hit the notifications and leave me a comment about the poor old Circus Circus. But is this positive news? By the way, today I'm right off of Maryland Parkway, Seafood City. We got the strip behind me, and it's a beautiful day in September in Vegas. So Phil Ruffin is the billionaire businessman. He's number 834, if I'm not mistaken, on the Forbes list of richest individuals. And he actually purchased the Treasure Island from MGM Resorts International some years ago. And he bought it for $738 million, if I'm not mistaken. He gussied it up. One thing he did do was get rid of the pirate show, but he actually helped the rebranding of the Treasure Island into the TI brand, and he made it a nicer place overall. Made it more competitive in the market. And he also owns a 50% stake in Trump International here in Las Vegas. So this puts him into the Billionaire Boys Club who does business with Donald Trump. What do you think about that? Leave me your comments below. I'm not giving you opinion because I don't get political here. But that's just a matter of fact. So Phil Ruffin has his fingers in Vegas already, and this apparently is the person who is buying the Circus Circus. Now, whether or not the deal goes through, whether or not the deal is just for Circus Circus or for the Circus Circus plus the festival grounds, I guess that's something that will come out in the wash later on when the terms of the deal goes through. But it does mean that somebody who already owns a strip property, who's good at managing strip properties, who knows what they're doing with these kinds of properties, might be the new purchaser of the Circus Circus. And if he goes in the direction that he went with the Treasure Island, it could be overly positive for the Circus Circus itself. Apparently Phil is a good guy to talk to and work with. From what I hear, the Treasure Island, people don't complain about him. So this could be overly positive if Phil Ruffin is indeed going to own the Treasure Island, the Circus Circus, and have a 50% ownership stake in the Trump International in Las Vegas. Opens up some competition, brings us to a level where Vegas is changing so rapidly with new ownership. Who knows what's going to happen next? Thanks for watching the video. This is our updated saga of who's going to own the Circus Circus. I guess I wasn't just making things up last time. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.